hindi naman bawal sa contract mo yung mag-endorse ng political personality.
No, but I'd rather not. I only endorse one actually. Even in my younger years, I never, if you notice, wala talaga akong in-endorse. It's hard eh. It's hard to endorse one politician tapos yung next, parang saan na naman, parang ayoko yung feeling na I usually endorse people that I know or are a friend and I don't get paid for it. Hindi ako kumikita sa eleksyon. Hindi ako naniniwala eh. Parang, although kami mag-asawa for that matter, although napakalaking racket, ano, parang sa totoo lang, napakalaking racket. Kaya lang, it's not, we don't believe in it. I don't know, it's been my, tatay ko kasi yan eh. My father never, kahit nung mahirap pa kami hindi yan tumatanggap ng bayad pagka may politician na nag-aano sa akin na kumanta ako doon kasi endorse ko itong politician na to. I would only see sa politician na kilala niya, kaibigan niya, and he believes in that person. So parang parang nakuha ko yun. So ever since then, hindi talaga ako nag-endorse. And parang natatakot din kasi ako magpupunta sa mga probinsya at mag-endorse. Kakashock at dahil. Lalo na ngayon may anak na ako. Mas nahihirap. Pero talaga, I just wanted to be more careful with who I'm endorsing. Yun.
But given you and your husband's close association with Pino, everybody was expecting, or everybody is expecting that you'll be endorsing Mar as well. Is that?
No.
So are we supposed to take it that you are not endorsing?
No, not at all.
But will we be seeing you in any politician's sortie or stage?
No.
This year?
No.
No, depende kung ang asawa ko kasi he's for Grace po, but they're having a hard time right now. So if ever, siguro siya. But yeah, that's it. Wala pa rin kaming bayad doon. Hindi pa rin kami kikita doon. Kaya day job na lang kami. Ito na lang. Susop ako.
I was asking kasi how much ba usual?
Malaki. Some of them are being paid by the billions. Depending on the name of the stars. Millions.
Lalo pag political ad ata.
Especially pag merong billion
diba?
Depende sa
package.
Depende sa artista kung gaano kalaki yung pangalan.
Tsaka yung magsasorty ka, magka-campaign.
So, alam ko, some of them are being paid by the